Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Google two-step verification or two-factor authentication as it was called before. Start by opening myaccount.google.com. Go to your Google account, sign in, go to security, scroll down, two-step verification. Before you can turn on two-step verification, you must have phone number added to your Google account. If you already have, just click turn on two-step verification. If no, add your phone number. Fill the phone number and Google will send verification code. Now verify your phone. Google automatically enabled two-step verification when I verified my phone. Now you can add additional authentication methods. So instead phone number, you can authenticate your account using Authenticator application. Click Add Authentication application. First, download Google Authenticator from Google Play or App Store. Once you have installed it, set up Authenticator. Open your Google Authenticator application and in bottom right corner, click plus button and scan QR code. Now click Next and enter the verification code from Authenticator application. And you are done. Go back and here you can see I have second option, Authenticator. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.